Origins and ingredients. Sugaring uses a paste made from natural ingredients like sugar, water, and lemon juice, making it a more eco-friendly and chemical-free to many waxing products. Application method. Sugaring paste is applied against the direction of hair growth and removed in the direction of growth, reducing the likelihood of hair breakage and ingrown hairs. Brazilian applies on direction of hair growth and against the growth pain levels. Sugaring is generally considered less painful than Brazilian waxing due to its natural ingredients and method of removal. Skin sensitivity. Sugaring is gentler on the skin, making it ideal for sensitive skin types prone to irritation or allergies. Effectiveness on short hair. Sugaring can remove hair as short as a 1/16 of an inch, while waxing typically requires hair to be at least a 1/4 inch long for effective removal. Exfoliation benefits. Both methods exfoliate the skin by removing dead skin cells, but sugaring does so more gently, leaving skin smoother. Hygiene factor. Sugaring paste is applied with a gloved hand or a clean tool, and any unused paste is discarded after each use. Cost considerations. Sugaring is often slightly more expensive than Brazilian waxing because it uses natural ingredients and is time-intensive. Durability of results. Both provide smooth skin for 3–6 weeks, depending on individual hair growth cycles. But sugaring may result in finer regrowth over time due to less trauma to the hair follicle. Post-treatment care. After sugaring, skin often feels less irritated, requiring minimal aftercare. Waxing might necessitate soothing creams to calm redness sensitivity. Sugaring paste is applied at room temperature, reducing the risk of burns. Waxing involves heated wax, too hot for the skin. Hair growth direction. Sugaring aligns with the natural growth of hair during removal, which minimizes pain and ingrown hairs. Speed of application. Waxing can cover larger areas more quickly than sugaring, making it the preferred choice for those in a hurry. Friendly. Sugaring paste is easier to make at home with simple ingredients, whereas waxing requires specific products and tools. Sustainability. Sugaring paste is biodegradable, and there is minimal waste compared to waxing, which involves disposable strips and sticks. Skin trauma. Sugaring is less likely to cause skin trauma like tearing or bruising, whereas waxing can sometimes remove the top skin. Different hair types. Sugaring works well on finer hair, while waxing is more effective for thicker, coarser hair. Time required. Sugaring time-consuming due to its precise application method, whereas waxing is quicker for larger areas. Allergy risk. The natural ingredients in sugaring paste make it hypoallergenic, while some waxes may contain fragrances with trigger reactions. Long impact. Sugaring can lead to permanent hair reduction over time, as it removes hair from the root in its natural direction. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.